Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add text on Canva application. Keep watching the video till the end. To add text on Canva, firstly go ahead and launch open your Canva application. The home page of Canva application will appear on the screen. Add a document or project you'd like to create from the options given on the page and tap on it. You can also search it on the search box at the top of the screen. Here I'm gonna go with Instagram post. Select any template from the search results or else create a blank template. Now to add text, tap on text option at the bottom of the page. You can either add a text box, heading, subheading or body text as well. Here I'm gonna choose heading. Click on add a heading option. Enter text that you'd like to add, and that's how you'll be able to add a text on Canva quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.